Namaste, Khush raho bitiya. I am JVN Dr. Sunita Bhati, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology, JVWU University. I am going to teach you Advanced Java programming. First of all, I am discussing about introduction. Java was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystem in the year 1991, later acquired by Oracle Corporation. And Java is an object-oriented language. It is platform independent. All of you know what is the meaning of platform independent. Means once you write a Java code on a machine and compile it and then convert into byte, and it converts into byte code. These byte code can run on any machine like Windows operating system, and Unix, Linux, Mac OS, etc. So it is called platform independent. Now, Java is divided into two parts: core Java and advanced Java. When you want to write application in core Java, when you want to do programming in core Java, then you have to use J2SE, means Java Standard Edition. If you want to write advanced Java application, web-based application, client-server architecture-based application, then you have to use Java Enterprise Edition for developing applications. Now, the core Java part covers the fundamental concepts like data types, functions, operators, thread, exception handling, etc. It is used to develop general purpose applications. But if you want to work with advanced Java, advanced Java covers the standard concept such as database connectivity, networking, servlet, web services, etc. Advanced Java is an advanced technology and or advanced version of Java, specially designed to develop web-based application, network-centric, or enterprise applications. It includes the concept like servlet, JSP, JDBC, RMI. RMI means remote method invocation, and JDBC, Java database connectivity, socket programming, etc. We can create client server based application using advanced Java, which is two-tier architecture. Now come to the benefits of advanced Java. JEE means Java Enterprise Edition, provides a rich library to understand the concept of client-server architecture for web-based application. We can also work with web and application servers such as Apache, Tomcat, Glassfish. Using these servers, we can understand the working of HTTP protocol. It cannot be done in core Java. It is also important to understand the advanced Java if you are dealing with trading technologies like Hadoop, cloud, native, and data science. Means if you want to use Hadoop or data science, cloud native technologies, then you have to understand. You have to understand each and every concept of advanced Java, and after that you can use these technology. It provides a set of services like API and protocols. Means API means application programming interface. What is the meaning of API? API is collection of a lot of classes, large number of classes and packages, which which are built in, and you can directly use into your program. So it provides a set of services, APIs, and protocols that provides the functionality which is necessary for developing multi-tiered application or web-based application. There is a number of advanced Java frameworks like Spring, Hibernate, Struts that enables us to develop secure transaction-based web application such as banking application, inventory management application, etc. If you want to secure transaction application, if you want to make secure applications, then you can use Spring, Hibernate, Struts. These all are Java framework. So these are the major benefits of Advanced Java. Now, difference between core Java and Advanced Java. What are the major differences between core Java and Advanced Java? Core Java, it is used to develop general purpose application, and Advanced Java, it is used to develop web-based application, which is of client-server architecture. Core Java does not deal with database, socket programming, etc. But Advanced Java, in Advanced Java, we can do socket programming, network-based application, etc. It is core Java is a single tier architecture, and Advanced Java is multi-tier architecture. It is a Java Standard Edition. Core Java is Java Standard Edition, and Advanced Java is Java Enterprise Edition. It provides java.lang.asterisk package, and Advanced Java provides java.servlet.asterisk package. It means if you want to make programming, if you want to develop some applications in core Java, then you have to include java.lang.asterisk package in your program. And if you want to make application in Advanced Java, then you have to use java.servlet.asterisk package, so that you can use a lot of classes which is based on client server, which are used for client server programming. Okay, these are the major differences of between core Java and Advanced Java. Now, the next topic is Introduction to Abstract Window Toolkit. What is AWT, Abstract Window Toolkit? Java AWT, Abstract Window Toolkit, is an API to develop GUI or window-based applications in Java. AWT is basically API. API means Application Programming Interface, which provides a lot of classes to programmer to develop window-based applications. AWT Abstract Window Toolkit is an API which provides a lot of classes to develop window-based applications. Java AWT components are platform dependent. That is, components are displayed according to the view of operating system. AWT is heavyweight. That is, its components are using the resources of operating system. The Java AWT package provides classes for AWT API such as text field, label, text area, radio button, checkbox, choice, lists, etc. Means Java AWT package includes a lot of classes to develop a window, and in a window we use so many components like text field, label, text area. So if we want to create a window and want to use button, text field, labels, then you have to create objects of these classes. These are all classes: text field, label, text area, radio button, checkbox, choice list. These are all classes. If you want to use, if you want to create these components on your window, then you have to use these classes. I will explain you it in later examples, how we can use these classes. Now, come to the next point, Java AWT classes. What are Java AWT classes? What is the hierarchy? You can easily see the diagram in the diagram. These are the classes: button, label, checkbox, choice, list, container. These are the component of a window or a frame. And if you want to create a window or a frame, you can use these classes if you want to make these components on any window or frame. In this diagram, you can see their frame, dialog, window, panel, applet. These are all containers. And containers can contain components like button, label, checkbox, choice, list, etc. And these are all the components. And if you want to use these components on a window, then you have to create their object and use. Now, I'm going to describe these components like container. What is container? The container is a component in AWT that can contain another component like buttons, text fields, labels, etc. The classes that extends container class are known as containers, such as frame, dialog, and panel. What is a container? Container is a component which can contain, which can hold another components like buttons, text field, labels, text area, and so on. And frame, dialog, panel, these are all the part of container. Now come to the window. What is a window? The window is the container. Window is also a container that have no borders and menu bars. We can use frame, dialog, or another window for creating a window. Panel. What is a panel? The panel is also a container that doesn't contain title bar and menu bar. It can have other components like button, text field, etc., labels, etc. Frame. The next is frame. The frame is the container that contain title bar and can have menu bars. It can have other components like button, text field, labels, etc. So these are the basic components. Now, some useful methods of component class. If you want to use these components, then you have to use some basic methods in your program. So what are these basic methods? I'm going to elaborate. First of all, public void add. And we are passing an argument component object, that is C. What is the use of this method? This method is used to add a component. This method is used to add a component to the container or window or frame. It inserts a component on this component. Now the next method is set size, public void set size method. And there are two arguments in set size method, int width, int height. Width and height, both are of integer type. Means if you set, this method sets the size of the component. Means if you are adding some component or to a window, then component, what will be the size of the component? You can set the component size by using set size method. And you have to pass two arguments, width and height, which is in pixel. Now the next method is public void set layout. And layout manager class object passes into this method. This method defines the layout manager for the component. And the next method, that is set visible. Public void set visible. These all the methods are of public type. And set visible method having an argument Boolean type status. Set visible is used to set the visibility of the component. Means if you want to show a component on the screen, then you have to set visible true. And if you want to hide the component from the screen, then you have to set visible as false. These are the useful method of component class. Thank you so much. Our today's session is ending with this topic, useful methods of component class. Now in later classes, I will discuss you about working with frames, how we will work with frame. So what is today's assignment for you all people? You have to learn the basic concept of Java programming and what are the various edition of Java and what are the various features of Java, and you have to know about what are the APIs, what are the AWT classes, and what are the various components and various containers. So I'm ending this session. Namaste.